Alright, let's continue with the second topic, which is calculating your GPA. So what is GPA? GPA is grade point average, which is the grading system that you will be using in the university, specifically in UED102. Alright, so it is based on points. So how many points? From 0 to minimum of 0 to maximum of 4 points. Okay, so this will be breakdown according to the grades, which I'll mention later on. So your final examination result and assessment at the very end of your semester are usually assigned with GPA. So this is for every semester. So for example, semester 1 you get a GPA of 3, semester 2 you get a GPA of 3.5, semester 3 you will get GPA of 2.8. Okay, so these are called GPA, the result at the end of every semester. Okay, but CGPA, cumulative grade point average, it represents the student's academic achievement throughout the study. For example, you are in your third semester, so your CGPA is calculated from the first to the third semester. So that's the difference between GPA and CGPA. CGPA, overall GPA per semester. Alright? Okay, so like I mentioned just now, your points are based on your grades. So I will show you the grades that you are going to be using. Okay, so we have the lowest from F, which is 0, okay, to 29 marks. So if you get 0 to 29 marks, basically you get 0 GPA, right? And E shows that your marks is between 30 to 39, okay, and the GPA that you will get is 0.67. A D will give you 1 point, okay, D plus 1.33, C minus 1.67. However, all these points will show that you fail the subject. So C minus and below, fail, meaning you have to repeat the subject, right? Okay, so to pass the subject, you have to get C and above. We have C, C plus, B minus, B, B plus, A minus, A, and A plus. So basically, if you get A and above, you already get the maximum point, which is 4. Whereas, and A minus will give you 3.67, B plus 3.3, B 3, B minus 2.67, C plus 2.33, and your passing mark, which is between 50 to 54, will give you a GPA of 2, right? So how do you calculate your GPA? Okay, so this is an example if you have 2 subjects, right? 2 subjects which have, okay, so the first subject, second subject. The first subject has a credit hour. You know what credit hour is? Credit hour is the amount of hours you will learn for that subject itself. So a credit hour of 3 and also credit hour of 2. Okay, 3 and 2. Okay, so let's say you are taking these 2 subjects. One 3 credit hour, the other 2 credit hour. Okay, and the grade that you have gotten, okay, so 3.67, if I'm not mistaken, is an A minus. Okay, so the first subject you got A minus. Okay, the second subject 3.33 you get B plus. So B plus. So an A minus will give you a point of 3.67. A B plus will give you a point of 3.33. So for each subject, take the point and times it with the credit hour. So for example, okay, the first subject, okay, A minus point is 3.67, you times the total credit hour, which is 3, plus for the second subject, okay, credit hour B plus is 3.3 times total credit hour of 2. Okay, and then you divide by the number of credit hour for that semester. So these two subjects will give you 5 credit hour. Alright, so finally you will get 3.53. Basically you get a dean, you are in the dean's list lah. Okay, because you get 3.5 and above. Right, so this is your CGPA. This is your GPA for that semester, or for the semester that you are currently taking. Okay, but what if I want to calculate the CGPA? Let's say you now go into your second semester. So previously you were in your first semester where you have gotten a result, a GPA of 3.53. So semester 1, 3.53. So let's say semester 2, you get 3.50. Okay, so these are your points for that semester. Now look at the credit hour. Okay, so this is the points, this is the credit hour. Okay, so the credit hour for the first semester just now was 3 plus 2, which is 5 credit hour. Okay, so that's the first semester. The second semester, let's say the same credit hour, which is 5. Okay, this is just an example. Alright, so how do I calculate the CGPA? Same thing, you have to times the point with the credit hour, then plus for the second semester. So the total credit hour will be, I'll write it here. Okay, so the first semester 3.53 times 5 plus 3.50 times 5, and you divide by the total credit hour, which is 10. This will give you 35.15 divided by 10. So your total CGPA will be 3.52. Right, so this is your CGPA for the first and second semester throughout the whole semester, or throughout the period of study. Right? Okay, now let's go to your task for this semester, for this topic. Your final task will be, I want you to find one short article on any topic. Just a simple article, short article, any topic that you like. Okay, just make sure it is you do not use the same article with other groups. So for example, group 1 are doing a topic about soccer. Group 2 also wants to do the topic about soccer, but the same article. So please do not do that. You can go with the same topic, but do make sure it is not the same article. Okay, for each group. Right, and then you discuss the article in your own words. Okay, or paraphrase the article. You can refer to the previous slide on this, and make sure it's written not more than 1 page. Okay, you can either handwrite it or you can type it in words, and then you can scan them and then upload them in your class online platform. And just a reminder, please make sure you cite your work. Okay, from which journal or from which source did you take the article from? Either you can write your reference below, or if you want to cite the persons or the author, also can. Okay, it's up to you. And then do not forget to include this task in your portfolio. So that will be all. This is your final topic for UED102. I wish you good luck in your future study. Okay, and hopefully you'll get a very excellent result for this semester. A very good job, guys, for persevering through our COVID-19 online distance learning. Right? Hope to see you in the future. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.